Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how you get your Klaviyo data streamed into Power BI. Let's get started. As a first step, you head to onboard.windsor.ai, create an account, and once you're logged in, you head to the Klaviyo section. You can find it by typing Klaviyo. Once you're there, you'll be prompted for your API key, which you can find in the Klaviyo settings. Enter your API key here and specify an account name. Once this is done, you're ready to preview the data. Once I click on Preview and Destination, I can then select the data source. In your case, you will only have Klaviyo here. In my case, I have configured a few more connectors. And now it's time to specify the fields we will be pulling. So you can specify the fields here. Let's say you want to have campaign name, clicks, data source, date opens. The source maybe is not required. In case you would like to have more data, you can go through the field list here. Then there is also an extensive documentation. If you click on the question mark, more information, you can find more information in our field reference. Once you are done with selecting your metrics and dimensions to stream over to Power BI, you then click on Power BI Desktop. And now over here, you'll see that URL, and to the right side, click Copy, and then it's time to head into Power BI. Over here, you click on Get Data, Web. Then in here, you paste the URL, click OK. And now your data is available in Power BI. You can simply click Close and Apply. And then your data stream is ready to be visualized in Power BI. So I could then go and add a table here where I would have campaign. And let's also add clicks and opens. Now we see the campaigns, the clicks, and the opens. Now let's say you would like to have different reports. You then repeat that process for all the different object types. In Klaviyo, there are campaigns, there are flows, and so on. And you might need to create different URLs to extract your data over to Power BI. You will also be able to specify the date range. So you can go for the last 7 days, last 180 days, or a custom date range. If you're a Klaviyo agency, you can always add multiple accounts to the configuration and then stream multiple clients into the same dashboard. Thanks very much for watching this demo and enjoy working with our connectors.